Here we have a GPT disk where a data partition was accidentally deleted. The space now appears as unallocated, but the original partition information may still exist on the disk. Instead of creating a new partition, we can scan the disk to restore the lost partition. Launch Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Click Disk Image and Clone. Then choose Lost Partition Recovery from Repair Tools. This tool searches the disk for deleted partition structures. Select the disk where the partition was deleted. The software scans the disk to locate previous partition records. On GPT disks, partition metadata is often still recoverable unless overwritten. Lazesoft shows the partitions it found on the disk. You can preview the contents to confirm it's the correct partition before restoring it. Click Recover Selective Partition. Lazesoft rebuilds the partition entry so Windows can access it again. After recovery, the partition appears again in Windows and the files are accessible. If Windows cannot boot, start your computer using the Lazesoft bootable USB disk. Lazesoft Recovery Suite can recover deleted partitions, lost volumes, and many other disk problems.